Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ga Meghalaya AIDS Control Society harangkat ke jingan trailang bat ka office jong Deputy Commissioner lembat ka office jong ka kot ka kia ka Bhoi District mentaka sngi ga khandai trik ukalaling kot arajar arpusau kala yo man penkut no ye ka program ai jing sumar a shikipat ba ha keleng kishnong githan jong ka Bhoi District Lyngba ka Integrated Health Campaign. Yakni ka program ajing sumar ay lasdang haga district nado ka khanyo tarik urisau arajar arpulai. Hagni ka ngile don langru MLA kanong po constituency uba Meral Bonds im ubalong kumu chairman ka Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board o ubalong ru kumu kongsan haga jinga don rengkat ka Dr. B. De Cruz Project Director ka Max, Dr. L. Murthong Deputy Director Medical Max, Dr. D. Bla, Additional District Medical and Health Officer, Bhoi District, Dr. E. Kalwing, District AIDS Control Officer, Bhoi District, but QA ki officer ni kitanat sarkar bapher, but ru nakatanat ka kot ka kia. Ka Dr. Hujan, haba ajing kran ni sngi kala pentip bagi don hadu shis pa prapu wetli ki jaka ni ki camp ki bala penlong ni jaka ajing sumar a ki bakinthom yasan pu wetli ki static camp but shispa lipotally ki extended outreach hagabalayo aban kmi bnia ya kumbakhat hajar spa prapu ngut ki breu habaro ko ga district nagabenta ki Jingpang bapher Lyngba ka program la yo ban kmi bnia nagabenta ka Jingpang HIV ya kumba 100,000 praspa anyo puwengut ki breu hagabalalap bahar pulangut ki day ki balangat haga Jingpang HIV. Nakaliang uba Meral Bonds im haba ajing kren ne ka sngi ulayaro bat ai ka jing kublai ba kerpang ye ka Max kabala jet ka Bhoi District ban penlong ye ka program ajing sumar a kabala long shisha ka jing mentoi ka ba khrau ye ki pa ba nong songsnong jong ka than Bhoi baro ka wei kabalong ru ka ta ka aspirational district bat penparu ba kum ka district kala nang keu sa phrang habaro ki liang khamtam hakabe dei bat kaliang jong ka kot ka khia naga jingshim khia jong ka sarkar jinla batru ka sarkar kami hagni ka snila yoru ye ka jing penkop buram kerpang ya baro ki balaya don kiti ha kani ka program nado ka basdang ke bakin thup nado ki nong trei jong ka tanat ka kot ka khia ki tanat trei kam sarkar ba pher bat kiwei
Hah? Oh, jono.
And then representative from Manbahar from the ICC Shillong, then Manbahar the IIDU. In charge or representative from Marmai PHC. Representative from Margar PHC. Or representative from Babi. And then representative of paramedical technology. And then representative from the Mobile Medical Unit, Bhoi District. Medical officer in charge or representative from Ngut.
As per the report that has been placed and represent, we have seen not less than 23 HIV positive cases has been detected so far in Bhoi district. Since the time we met in East Jainta Hills in Clearia, which is one of the districts with a high rate of HIV positive within the state. Even though Bhoi, it falls in the category as a low category, but you have taken an initiative to come because we know our district is a vulnerable area, vulnerable district. We share a porous border with Assam. We have a highway which connects 2 to 3 states within a northeastern state. We have several industries. We have 2 EPIP campus, one in Unyam, one in Birmingham. We have quite a large number of laborers also who came from outside the state for different purposes that has been entrusted within this district. As we have seen in the past, the data that has been placed, it is quite alarming. There is a campaign, a mantra for say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, say no to plastic, and there are different initiatives that has been taken, not only by the health department, but by different stakeholders, NGOs, civil society, government missionaries, to eradicate many issues that are there within our society. And we are here today to witness this program, the closing ceremony. And I'm not wrong to say that it is a right time that each and every one of us, we have to come together to fight for this noble cause so that our future generation will be in the safe hand. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks, since most of us we are here, most of you are the health worker within the health department and other agencies which has been entrusted with different tasks. And we have seen that despite of many issues in and around us, but we are still fighting, and we keep on fighting in the days to come also. In the past 2 to 3 years when COVID was there, mostly the health workers are there at the ground to fight this epidemic. I would like to thank each and every one of you who are present here, not only from the health department or the line department, for the dedication that you have worked how to fight COVID-19 during those years.
Saying goes, prevention is always better than cure, and we have prioritized Bhoi over other districts for the second integrated health campaign in the state because of the following objectives. Bhoi is an aspirational district of Meghalaya, and it is sharing a long boundary with Assam, which is having a concentrated at-risk population. It also has the national highway connecting the gateway of Northeast India through Meghalaya to the Barak Valley in Assam, leading to other northeastern states which are having a higher prevalence like our state, that is Manipur, Mizoram, and it also leads to ultimately to Myanmar and the Golden Triangle. Bhoi also has a high mobility of daily wage laborers, commercial drivers because of the highway, and a number of factory workers working in the different industries present in this district. And we had also conducted the IHC to bring about awareness to the general population of Bhoi district. As Dr. Kalwing had mentioned, Bhoi has 515 PLHIVs, people living with HIV, but the loss to follow up is a great cause of concern, and the number stands at 99. A little bit on the concept of the integrated health campaign. This is a newer strategy by NACO to control, manage, and contain the rising HIV and related infection within a short time period that is 3 to 6 months. This was taken actually because in recent years, the studies have shown that a large number of cases are actually from the unreached population. That is, the partners of PLHIVs, injecting drug partners, and so on.